So what you can also do inside of Gmail is utilize keyboard shortcuts so that the workflow of writing emails or managing emails is much more faster for you. So to do that, first of all, you need to enable keyboard shortcuts. And to do that, you can go around onto the settings right here and then click on See All Settings. Once you do that, you can go around and scroll down just like this. And over here, you can see keyboard shortcuts and you can see it is currently turned off. I can go around and click on keyboard shortcuts on right here. And once I do that, I can click on Save Changes. Once I do that, what happens is that the keyboard shortcut is turned on. But I do need to know what shortcut keys I can use. So I'm going to go around onto the settings and click on See All Settings right here. And you can go around and scroll down, and over here under the keyboard shortcuts, you see a link for Learn More. If I were to go around and click on Learn More, then you can see that this is what you have. So you can access out and know different keyboard shortcuts that you can use. For example, there's compose and chat right here. There's formatting text right here. There's action right here. So different actions that you can actually go around and utilize. So over here under the compose and chat, you can see that there are certain shortcut keys that you can use right here. For example, for send, it's Control plus Enter right here. So let me just go around onto my inbox and then click on compose, and let's just go around and choose an email address right here. Type in some random stuff. And then over here, let me just use the Control plus Enter. And in case you're using a Mac, it's Command plus Enter as it shows right here. So I'm just going to go around and press Control plus Enter, and you can see that it immediately sends out the message right there. And that is how the speed of work can be faster when you utilize a keyboard shortcut, as you can see right here. You can go around and you can see there's a shortcut key for reply right here, or reply in new window. So let's just go around over here and press Shift R right here, and it opens up a new window and it creates a reply window, as you can see right here. You can go around and press like Shift A for reply all in new window right here. So I don't have multiple receivers over here, but let me just go around onto inbox and go around over here and Shift A, and it's reply all right here on the new window, just like this. And that is how you can go around and utilize the keyboard shortcuts. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.